Welcome back. So notice that before I said you only need two AA batteries to run this, which is pretty cool. It is a little bit clicky, I don't know why. Forward, down, okay. Forward and down, left and right, very clicky. And a bunch of other buttons that maybe are for the turret to turn. So the remote feels kind of cheap, but I like this kind and not the pistol grip, so that's a plus. Again, there's weird pellets I talked about before, the charger. Let's take a look at the actual thing. Let's not lose a screw, put it in the Ziploc. Do all the other things. Although I probably won't ever use that screw again. Let's take a look at this thing. Looks really, really awesome. Do a little turn. Wow, look at that.
Likey